Hold me back 1 year in HS over a single gym credit? How about I go to college a year early instead? I hated gym class, not because of the physical activity, I was in hockey and football. But the fact there wasn't enough time to shower before the bell. So you stink to high heaven for the rest of the day. So I would walk the track with all the girls. Pissed off my coaches something awful. So they flunked me in my junior year and won't let me double up my senior year, so I would have to stay back. I had already picked out my college and was tech school. Just had to finish my senior year. So I figured I could work out something with the guidance counselor and the coach. Nope, neither would budge. Okay, I walk away thinking I'm screwed and have to basically take one class my second senior year. Then it dawns on me, can I just start going to college now? Are there other alternatives? So I call my college admissions and college guidance counselor. Explain my situation and what other options are available. Since this is a non-traditional college, no SATs, you can start without a diploma. The caveat is you must have one, or equivalent, to get your diploma. The state I'm from, they don't distinguish between the two, so it won't be an issue later on. So I called another meeting hoping the HS admin would change their minds. No joy, they stuck to their guns. Thinking they had me cornered, I stood up and said, well, I'm just going to have to drop out then. I can't see missing a year of college to just do gym class. The coach thinks he's all cute and as you can't go to college without a diploma. I relay what the tech school admin/guidance told me of their policy on this. Faces dropped. It said into the guidance counselor that a dropout looks bad on her and the school, small school, when the state audits. She starts backpedaling and I wasn't hearing any of it. Later on that night the principal and vice principal called to talk. I wasn't interested, I was all excited about starting classes in the fall.